Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make chicken Reshmi Kabab, which will be very soft and juicy from inside and delicious to taste. So friends, let's get started with this mouth-watering restaurant-style chicken Reshmi Kabab recipe. Good to enjoy as a starter with some spicy green chutney. So for my chicken Reshmi Kabab, I have taken here 4 boneless chicken thighs. And I would recommend to use chicken thigh for this recipe as it tend to be more soft and juicy compared to chicken breast. And now I will cut them into medium portions like this. Well, this recipe is a traditional Mughlai dish where Reshmi, meaning silk, gets its name from the juicy succulence of the meat added to the skewers, which makes this recipe so very delectable. We'll now transfer the chicken thigh pieces in a bowl and marinate them by adding the juice of half of a large lemon. Next goes 2 tablespoons of hung curd or dahi, 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander and mint paste, 1 tablespoon of thick cashew paste. Then goes 1 tablespoon of fresh cream or malai, some salt as per taste, half teaspoon of white pepper, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or zeera powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder. Now we'll mix all the ingredients well so that they are well combined with the chicken pieces. And we will let them rest overnight in the refrigerator for best results, or at least for 3 to 4 hours. So the chicken pieces has been resting in the refrigerator for about 14 hours. And now I will place a steel bowl in the center, and into it goes a burnt charcoal which will give a smoky flavor to our Reshmi Kabab. We'll drizzle a few drops of oil and then immediately cover it with a lid for 10 to 12 minutes. After about 12 minutes, we'll remove the bowl. Next, we'll pierce the chicken pieces and arrange them in skewers. And in the same way, I will arrange the remaining chicken pieces also. Next, I'll heat a grill pan, and into it, I will add around a teaspoon of butter. We'll brush the butter on all the sides of the grill pan. And when the pan is hot enough, we will place the chicken pieces arranged in skewers. Keep the flame on medium. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we will flip the skewers. We'll brush them in between so that our kebabs remain moist while getting cooked. After about 3 minutes, we will flip the skewers one more time so that the chicken pieces are cooked and grilled well from both the sides. And by now, our chicken Reshmi Kababs are ready, grilled well from both the sides. So I will take them off and arrange them for serving. And here goes our soft and juicy chicken Reshmi Kabab on the serving platter. Enjoy this mouth-watering kebab recipe with a spicy green chutney. So friends, do try this delicious chicken starter recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.